Prior to being the piano girl, I was working in the energy sector.
Right.
I worked in engineering and then in human resources.
Wow.
It's definitely been we were talking about unconventional career path. In 2018, the company I was working for actually closed.
Wow.
And I, at the same time, coming into 2019, I did the Savannah Grass piano cover in the Savannah.
I remember that. That was actually the first time that I saw you. And I said, hey.
Right.
Yeah.
Prior to that, I would have done a few soca piano covers, Ultimate Rejects was a full extreme.
Right, full
I actually
extreme.
played an army fete with them, like it was an introduction.
Right.
But the Savannah Grass cover, that one got very popular. And so leading it, on from that, I started doing a lot of solo performance work. And the Piano Girl brand was born from coming out of that. Yeah.